Hey, here we go. So we're doing a volumes by slicing. It says use the method of slicing to find a volume of a solid whose base is a circle, radius 2. So here's my circle, radius 2 down there. And we know that its formula is 4 equals x squared plus y squared. Oh, there's supposed to be a plus there. Okay. And then what we're trying to do is if the slices that are made that are perpendicular to the base, and they are isosceles right triangles with one leg on the base. So here's basically like an isosceles right triangle. I tried to make like a 3D effect. So it's a right triangle, isosceles, meaning that both of these are the same. And so there's our hypotenuse, okay? And one of the legs is on the base. And then I've made another one over here, right? So you would kind of see that these triangles move this direction or this direction, doesn't matter. And as this leg gets larger, this one gets taller. So you'd have a really tall triangle right in the middle here. And then you'd start to get smaller and smaller, and you have small triangles down over to here. Okay. And so you'd end up with this funny shape. Okay. Now, in order to do that, what we're going to want to do is our volume is going to run from -2 to 2. So from here to here, because our slices are moving from -2 to 2 in this direction. And what we need to do is each slice is the area of a triangle in terms of x. All right, because our x coordinate as I move across is going to tell me the area of this triangle. All right. Now, in order to figure out the area of this triangle, I need to know the base and the height. As we can see, these are, I can figure out the base of this triangle, here, this length, by knowing this y coordinate and this y coordinate. Well, how do I find a y coordinate on the circle? I have to evaluate it using the x coordinate that's given. So it would be, for example, for this one here, I would plug this x coordinate in for this triangle. I would plug this x coordinate in, which would give me these two y coordinates. And then my base would be 2y, right? And then my height would be 2y. And then I can figure out my area. So this is kind of what we're doing here. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. One base is 2y, the height is 2y. So if I simplify all that, it's 4 over 2, which is 2y squared. So the area of my triangle is this. But y, remember, is in terms of x. I want it in terms of x because my integral is in terms of x. It's moving along the x direction. So I put my integral, or I put this in terms of x, simplify this down, and there's my area of the triangle. Okay. Now I go ahead and I integrate, and I go ahead and integrate it from 2 to -2, and bum, 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 bum. Hopefully I didn't make any mistakes there. I think it should be around 64 over 3. All right. So there it is. Volumes by slicing. It's tough to set up the drawing based on the description, but you want to read a few of these and kind of get some practice in. Okay.